gunpowder, compass, mobile type, civil servant exam, foot binding, painting, calligraphy, composition, Chinese, military, northern song, southern song. Let me see that. The Song dynasty consisted of the northern and southern Song with prosperous economy and radiant culture. This period was considered as another period of the golden age after the glorious Tang dynasty. As for the development of the science and culture, tremendous achievements were made during this period. Two of China's four greatest inventions, typography and compass, were both invented, and the application of gunpowder developed rapidly.
It even comes with a compass.
It's K-Fang, gotta get me some K-Fang. Everybody's looking forward to some K-Fang, crunching, yeah! Crunch, looking forward to some K-Fang.